So in the last class we have studied life of loom accessories, relative humidity and temperature standards, automatic loom speeds, non-automatic loom speeds, and all those things. Today we will study about the next standards or norms. Norms for loom stoppages. In that we will study stops per loom over due to. So loom stops, then the loom efficiency is decreased, production is decreased, fabric quality is decreased. So stops per loom hour due to. So on the left hand side, warp breaks 1.1, that is the standard. So there should be 1.1 warp break per 1 hour. Warp falls 0.1, burn transfer falls 0.2, weft breaks 0.6, others 0.2, total stops 2.2. So total stops per loom hour is 2.2. This is the standard. So to achieve higher production, higher efficiency and good quality of the fabric. Norms for weaver service time. So this is service time. You all know skill of the weaver. This means skill of the weaver. So a high skilled person will mend the break fast, whereas a low skilled person will take time to mend the break or warp or weft or whatever the breakage in the machine. Warp breaks, warp falls 45 per end. This time is measured in seconds. Weft breaks 10 seconds. Burn transfer failure and fault 15 seconds. Miscellaneous 30. Norms for causewise defects in grey fabric. So on the left hand side you have seen variety of defects, and the standards are given for medium poplin and heavy poplin. So the defects are missing ends, floats, weft cracks or crammed pricks, gout, stains, others. Total. So you see for medium poplin, causewise defects in grey fabrics 1.2 should be for medium poplin, and for heavy poplin it should be 1.8. Norms for life of stores and spares. For shuttle, the loom hour should be 1500. This is for automatic looms. In the earlier class, what we have seen is for non-automatic looms. Picker, synthetic picker 2750 loom hours. Picking stick 7350 loom hours. Buffer 19,000 kg. Buffer is measured in kgs. Lug strap 7000 for long and short. Reed 5000 loom hours. Norms for loom efficiency and losses due to various causes. Weaver attending, warp breaks and warp falls 4.5 and 0.9. Interference, warp breaks and warp falls and others 3.2 and 1.2. Percentage loss in efficiency, that means because of the interference there will be 4.4 percentage loss in efficiency. Similarly, weaver attending the breaks, in that case 5.4 will be the loss in 5.4 percentage will be loss in efficiency, and total losses will be 12.5 percentage loss in efficiency. This is the standard. Norms for hard waste. In the hard waste there are two kinds of waste that we will study in the coming classes, in the waste percentage classes. So the tail ends will be 0.167, extra ends will be 0.100, and total percentage of yarn processed 0.267. So this is the norm. That means 1000 1000 kg of yarn will have percentage. If you take 2.67 kg should be the waste, not more than that. Norms for hard waste: weft brakes 0.004, chappers 0.750, defective cones 0.750, magazine waste 0.035, bunches 0.225, and total is 2.164, that is percentage of hard waste. So the last class and today's class will conclude the establishing the standards and norms. So